Nature. 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 Nature is an uncountable word that refers to the phenomena of the physical world, wilderness, and life in general. Nature exists everywhere all the time, so we usually would not say that there is a lot of it or not much of it. In that case, it would be better to say something like a lot of natural things, or a lot of wildlife, or a lot of natural beauty. It might be helpful to think of nature like a monotheistic God, such as in the Western concept of Mother Nature.
英文
You can see the beauty of nature all around you. The laws of nature are not yet completely understood. Nature conservation is expensive but important for the future. Being late was just a part of his nature. We still have a lot of lessons to learn from nature. Bye!